Actress Ashley Burch, known for her role as Aloy in the popular game Horizon Zero Dawn, has recently responded to the leaked footage of an AI version of her character. The video, which was leaked earlier this week, showed a Sony employee interacting with the AI Aloy. This has caused quite a stir among fans and the gaming community, with many questioning the use of AI in gaming and its potential impact on the industry. In an interview with Eurogamer, Burch shared her thoughts on the controversial footage. She expressed her surprise and excitement at seeing an AI version of her character, but also acknowledged the concerns surrounding its use. Burch stated that she believes AI can enhance storytelling in games, but it should be used responsibly and with consideration for its impact on the industry. This response from Burch has sparked further discussion and curiosity about the use of AI in gaming. While some see it as a potential tool for enhancing storytelling and gameplay, others are concerned about its potential to replace human actors and writers. The leaked footage has also raised questions about the ethical implications of using AI in such a prominent role in gaming. Moving on to our next article, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg has made a bold prediction about the future of technology. In an interview with the Daily Galaxy, Zuckerberg declared that smartphones will soon be replaced by smart glasses. He believes that within the next decade, smart glasses will become the primary device for communication and accessing information. This statement has caused quite a stir among tech enthusiasts and skeptics alike. While some are excited about the potential of smart glasses, others are skeptical about their practicality and impact on society. This prediction also raises questions about the future of smartphones and how they will evolve in response to this new technology. In other news, Android Central's News Weekly column highlights some of the top stories from this week in tech. One of the biggest stories was a massive leak revealing details about Google's upcoming Pixel 10 smartphone. This leak has generated a lot of buzz and anticipation among fans of the Pixel series. Another major story was the chaos surrounding the March update for Android devices. Many users reported issues and bugs after installing the update, causing frustration and concern among Android users. This highlights the importance of thorough testing and quality control in software updates. In addition, OnePlus has announced that they will be ditching their alert slider feature in future devices. The alert slider, which allows users to easily switch between different notification settings, has been a popular feature among OnePlus users. This decision has sparked mixed reactions from fans of the brand. These stories and more have kept the tech world buzzing this week, with each one offering unique insights and perspectives on the ever-evolving landscape of technology. As always, stay tuned for more updates and breakthroughs in the world of tech. Subscribe for your daily dose of the latest updates and breakthroughs in technology.